Right, Peppa, George, come here, quick.
What's it, Daddy?
Today we're gonna buy a microwave today. You need your help. So let's go in the car.
Oh,
Oh, we're in a car now. There's a microwave over there. Let's get it. Ah, got one. Okay, let's go home. Hey guys, there is a new microwave. Do something. No. I'm gonna put the mash on it. I'm gonna throw George on it. Mm. Whee! Oh. How dare you! How dare you put your little brother George in the microwave? In the microwave. That's it. You walk round it, round it, round it, round it, round it, rolling a 1, 2, 6, 8, 4, 7, 7, 7, 7, 9, yes. Go to your room now and never, never, never put in the microwave again. Whee!